Hi children, today we are going to start the next chapter, that is combustion and flame. In this chapter we will read about combustion, we will read about different types of combustion, about fire extinguishers and about different types of fuels used in daily life. We will also learn about the flame and what are the different parts of the flame. Children, have you ever wondered why a candle burns when a lighted matchstick is brought near it? What burns in the candle, the wick or the wax, or both of them? Can the wax of the candle burn without the wick? A thin wooden stick burns easily, whereas a thick log takes a long time to catch fire. Coal does not burn with a flame, but because of the fire, it starts to glow and radiates heat. A magnesium ribbon burns with a very bright white light, whereas LPG burns with a blue flame. In this chapter, we will study the process of burning, the kinds of flame produced during the burning, and the role of different kinds of fuel in the process of burning. Fuels are used in day-to-day life for various purposes like cooking, like running, used in automobiles, in factories, and for many other purposes. The commonly used fuels that we know are coal, wood, petrol, diesel, LPG, CNG, etc. You know, in the village area, cow dung cakes are also used as fuels. So, first of all, we will learn about combustion. What is the combustion? Combustion is the process of burning a substance in presence of oxygen. In this process, what happens? Heat and light are evolved. In some of the process, light is produced in form of glow, and in some other process of combustion, light is produced in form of flame. Here I have written some of the examples. In the first example, you can see that carbon dioxide is produced along with heat and light when carbon, maybe in the form of coal or charcoal, reacts with oxygen. In the second example, you can see CH4, it is known as methane. When reacts with oxygen, it produces carbon dioxide gas, water, and heat. In the third experiment that you have already done, that is burning of magnesium ribbon, it is also a process of combustion. And in this reaction, magnesium reacts with oxygen and produces magnesium oxide. Along with that, huge amount of heat and light is produced. Here the light is produced in the form of flame. Hence, we can conclude that the substances that undergo combustion are called combustible substances or fuels. For example, charcoal, natural gas, etc. To know about combustion in more detail, we have to know about one more important term, that is ignition temperature or the kindling temperature. The ignition temperature is the temperature at or above which a substance starts burning. Once more, I am just reading it out. Just listen. The ignition temperature is the temperature at or above which a substance starts burning, which means it is the temperature at which, or the temperature may be above that temperature at which the substance will start burning. Every substances in the world has different ignition temperature, and it may be very low like 35 degrees Celsius as of white phosphorus, and it may be very high like 260 degrees Celsius as of red phosphorus. And for this reason, white phosphorus is stored immersed in water and red phosphorus is stored in ordinary bottles. Next, It is the conditions necessary for combustion. There should be some conditions that should be maintained for a combustion process to take place. The three important points are: there should be a presence of combustible substance, that is, the substance which will burn. The next, that is presence of a supporter of combustion, that is, a substance that will help in combustion, and it is generally oxygen. Oxygen supports the process of burning. And the last one that we have read, that is attainment of the ignition temperature or kindling temperature of the substance. So until and unless a substance is not attaining that particular temperature, which is called the ignition temperature, it will never catch fire. So again I am repeating conditions necessary for combustion. The first one, presence of combustible substances, presence of a supporter of combustion, that is oxygen, and attainment of ignition temperature or kindling temperature. Okay children, we will do the next topic in my next class. Thank you.